Geek with the Tractor here. We are on a wild tractor adventure today. I'm here with my boys and we are looking for the compact deer in the woods. We've been hearing reports of compact deer in these parts, and so we're out here scouting around looking for the compact deer. Now in the reports, well, let me just put it this way. If what I've heard is true, if we find it, there's a real treat in store for you guys. So keep your eyes peeled. We're gonna keep looking and scouting, and hopefully we find, is that it? Oh, I gotta be quiet because they get spooked, you know, out here, and you have to be quiet. So we're getting to the area where I've heard some reports that the compact deer is, and so again, we're gonna be out here scouting around. So let's get going. So we have been searching a good part of the day for the compact deer. Been looking all over for it. You know, following the reports of where people have spotted the compact deer, and we finally have a break. And if you look here, there's evidence of the compact deer passing through here. But to make sure it is the correct deer that we're looking for, the correct compact deer that we're looking for, I have trained middleman here all summer on how to use sense of smell and taste to determine if it is the correct compact deer. So, would you go through here and look for some evidence to see if we are on the right track? Is it the one?
It's the one.
All right. Guys, we have found the compact deer. He's right there. Right there. Oh, she's a beauty. There's a baby compact deer just over this little brush here, okay? But here, I want to tell you something. Pay very close attention. The mother is very protective of the baby, okay? So if we have to run, we need to run that direction, okay? Because as long as we are not between the mother and the baby, we will be fine, okay? Guys, this is so exciting. I can't believe it. Baby compact. I heard the reports, but I wasn't sure if it was really true. And today they've been verified. We have seen the baby compact deer. Oh, it's so cute. It is so cute. Guys, run! Now! Now! Go! Alright guys, wow, that was so crazy. Did you see her charging out of the woods like that? Oh man, that was so close. But like I said, they don't want to hurt, the mother doesn't want to hurt us. She just wants to make sure that her baby is safe. So it was good that we had a pathway out of there. We're safe now, we're a far distance away. I'm going to go, because She is a big beast and we want to be very careful. I don't want you guys to be in danger. I'm going to go and get a little bit of a closer shot of the mother and the baby together, and then I'll bring it back and show you guys. But I just don't want you guys getting too close because she is so big, dangerous. And you guys at home, I want you to be very careful around these compact deer. They look kind of small, but they are very powerful, very strong, and you have to always safety first. All right, guys. All right, so I'm gonna get a little extra shot on this, and then we'll wrap it up. So that was an amazing adventure. Didn't you guys have a great time today? Oh yeah, that was so fun. So I've given her some time to calm down now, and she's over here eating some grass in the brush here. And I'm gonna get a close up of the mother and the baby together. They're so cute. Okay, but I'm gonna be really careful this time. Be positive, keep exploring, and we'll see you on the next adventure.
Bye.
Run! 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 The compact deer is after us!
This is what they do to prepare for the next scene. Losing one! He's already tired.